Hi, I'm going to be showing how to create an animated GIF in Photoshop CS6. Here's the animated GIF for the web that I've created. In Photoshop you can see how I got to this final product. So to start, we're going to start a new file, and it's going to be for the web, so we select web. Change the size to 200 and height to 200 so it's a little smaller. Keep everything else the same. Now I'm in my motion editor right now. We're going to create the smiley face in the essentials mode. Here we get the ellipse tool and create the circle for the face, and the selection tool to move it where it needs to be. You can see I have the fill is yellow and the stroke is black. So we're going to create our eye with another ellipse and change the fill to black. Now another way to create another eye that looks exactly the same, go over to the layer with eye and duplicate layer. Now we have an extra eye and we can move it into place. Now I'm going to create the mouth with the ellipse tool and change the fill. Now I'm going to create the second mouth for the animation, and to do that I'm going to copy the first mouth layer by duplicating it. Now I'm going to edit the second mouth here, and to do that, first go to Layer, Rasterize, Shape. Now I can erase part of the mouth, but first I'm going to turn off the visibility of the other mouth so that I only can see the mouth that I'm working on. Okay, now I can erase. So now I have everything to create my animation. Go up here and change into motion editor. Down here you're going to want to create a frame animation. Press the button. Now we have our first frame, and how we create our animation is by turning on and off the visibility of the layers. And you can also add different layers and different shapes to create more changes to your animation. So my first frame, I'm going to see all of my shapes and layers. So I turn everything on. Now I go over to here to create a second frame. And for my second frame, I'm going to only see there these shapes. So I have my animation. I'm going to change how long each frame lasts, here to 1 second. And I'm going to change the looping here to loop forever. Now I can preview by pressing play. Now I'm ready to save. So go to Save for Web. Keep it in the GIF format so you can keep your animation. Alright, and now I have my second GIF created here and previewed in the browser.